Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So we know that IRDA grade A notification has been delayed and a lot of students have been asking us that what should be their next step. Should they keep on preparing? Should they keep on waiting? Or should they move ahead and start preparing for other competitive examinations? So this is something that we are going to discuss as a part of this video, right? And before we do that, just a small announcement. So we know that previous year questions play a very important role if you're preparing for any competitive exam including IRDI grade A. So what you can do in order to download PYQs, you can just go to the description box, click over the link, and from there you can download it. I hope it is clear to you. Now let us move forward. So basically, the first question could be that is it worth waiting for IRDI grade A 2025 examination? Now let me tell you that in order to answer this question, I need to consider two category of students. Category number A, those students who, because of any reason, they were preparing for IRDI grade A examination solely, right? This could be first category of students. Second category of students could be one, basically they were preparing for entire regulatory body spectrum and IRDI grade A examination was one of those examinations that they have been preparing for. Now my suggestions to this category B student is that basically keep on doing that whatever you were doing earlier, right? Whatever you have been doing up till now, please continue it. Do not change your strategy. This is the best strategy that I suggest to all the students preparing for whoever are preparing for regulatory bodies examination, right? Because when it comes to the regulatory bodies examination, just like IRDI grade A, there is a lot of uncertainty regarding the notification. Now see, if we talk about the 2025 scenario, we know that IRDI had released a bulletin, and as a part of that bulletin it said that basically in 2025 they want to recruit a certain number of candidates, right, as a part of this IRDI grade A position, right? So based on that, everybody including us, basically we thought that there is a high probability that the notification would be released. But basically if we see the ground reality, if we see the present situation, तो दूर दूर तक कहीं पर दिख नहीं रहा है कि नोटिफिकेशन आने वाली है, ना ही कोई हिंट ड्रॉप हुई है ऐसी, राइट? ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. क्या पता आ भी जाए, क्या पता जिस दिन ये वीडियो रिलीज हुई है उसके अगले दिन ही नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो, अब तो साल खत्म होने में आ गया, राइट? सो वी आर नॉट सीइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ IRDI. सो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर to basically, instead of targeting just one examination, try to target multiple examinations that are there as a part of regulatory bodies, right? Because we know that if we talk about the syllabus of the regulatory bodies, it is highly overlapping. We have quant, reasoning, English and GA in all the regulatory bodies examination, right? You just need to prepare insurance paper and ESI impacting insurance as a part of phase 2 of IRDI if you are preparing for it. So your job becomes much easier, and because there are a lot of many subjects that are highly overlapping in nature, right? So if you are preparing, if you are following this approach, I want you to continue that. That is for the category B students. Now those students who belong to category A, see, my suggestion is that is it worth waiting for IRDI grade A 2025 examination? My suggestion is no. अभी के लिए नो बोलूंगा. क्यों? बेसिकली इफ यू वर ओनली प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर IRDI grade A solely, then the point is that by now you should have completed the entire syllabus, क्योंकि बहुत सारा टाइम था आपके पास. आप ऑलरेडी मतलब चीजें पढ़ चुके होंगे, नोटिफिकेशन काफी हद तक आगे जा चुकी है, राइट? अभी तक आई नहीं है नोटिफिकेशन. तो अगर आप सिंसियरली प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे तो अभी तक आपका पेपर वन, सॉरी फेज वन एज वेल एज जो फेज टू है, इसका सिलेबस यू वुड हैव कवर्ड इट, राइट? सो माय सजेशन इज दैट प्लीज पुट इट ऑन होल्ड. अभी के लिए होल्ड पे रखो. जो भी आपने नोट्स बनाए हैं, डोंट थिंक कि वो वेस्ट हो गए. ठीक है, इंश्योरेंस अगर आपने प्रिपेयर किया तो इंश्योरेंस और भी एग्जाम्स में आता है, राइट? सो वहां पर भी आप उसको उस नॉलेज को यूज कर सकते हो. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट वेस्टेड. बट माई सजेशन इज दैट अभी के लिए प्लीज कीप योर IRDI grade A preparation on hold. And what should be your priority? My suggestion is that please start preparing for other regulatory body examination also. But what I mean to say is that this category A students should get converted into category B students, right? This is what I want you to do. बिकॉज सी, क्वांट, रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, GA, राइट? मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया दैट दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज कॉमन. और आपने इंश्योरेंस अभी तक प्रिपेयर कर लिया होगा, और ESI इम्पैक्टिंग इंश्योरेंस भी. और चलो, एक तो इंग्लिश का सब्जेक्ट है, ये तो बहुत ओवरलैपिंग है, राइट? सो यही दो मेन कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं. एक मैनेजमेंट है, वो भी बाकी एग्जाम के साथ ओवरलैप होता है. सो इफ यू आर एबल टू डायरेक्ट दिस knowledge in a right format, you can target so many examinations, right? Instead of just depending upon this IRDI grade A notification, you can target so many examination, right? For example, RBI, for example SEBI, for example NABARD. You can go for PFRDA also. You can go for IFSCA also. You can go for NPS also, right? नाउ दिस लिस्ट डज नॉट स्टॉप हियर, ठीक है, और भी छोटे छोटे एग्जाम है जो अभी मैं बात करते टाइम शायद मुझे ना आ रही हो, आप भी थोड़ी रिसर्च कीजिए, राइट, यू विल कम टू नो अबाउट इट। सो ट्राई टू टारगेट दीज एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी वही क्वांट रीजनिंग इंग्लिश और जीआई आती है, वही बुक्स है, वही ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर लेवल है, राइट। सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फेस हर्डल, स्पेशली इफ यू आर अ सीरियस एस्पिरेंट, राइट। तो अगर आप इक्विवेलेंट अमाउंट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, आज कुछ पीवाईक्यूज देखते हैं, आज कुछ मॉक टेस्ट देते हैं, सो यू विल बी एबल टू डायरेक्ट योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर टारगेटिंग दीज एग्जामिनेशंस आल्सो। तो आप इंस्टेड आईआरडीआई में जितनी वैकेंसीज आएंगी उनको प्रिपेयर करने के बजाय आप बहुत सारी वैकेंसीज को टारगेट कर रहे होंगे जो यहाँ पर आती है, राइट। तो अपना एक रोड मैप प्रिपेयर कीजिए, राइट। क्या अगर आईआरडीआई आपके ड्रीम जॉब है, राइट, सो where is your position right now, what is your position right now, how much syllabus you have covered, and based on that basically you can keep it on hold right now, and you can keep your notes on hold, so whenever let us say क्या पता नोटिफिकेशन इस वीडियो के अगले दिन ही आ जाए या फिर दिसंबर एंड में आ जाए, ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना। तो आपके पास सारा कुछ कंटेंट प्रिपेयर्ड है, आपको बस नोट्स को उठाना है, अपने सब्जेक्ट्स को उठाना है, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू रिवाइज इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स, राइट। दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, बट अलॉन्ग साइड व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू, प्लीज स्टार्ट टारगेटिंग these examinations also. Do not, I would say, do not take it lightly, right, and in this way you will be able to broaden the perspective, right, the way you are approaching these competitive examinations. So I hope it is clear to you. I would say this should be the priority at this point of time. Now, if you're somebody who's preparing for these regulatory body examinations, let me also tell you that how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation. So if you go to our website edutap.in, you can go to the courses section and you can see different type of courses that we offer, right? For example, IRDI, IFSCA, right? NABARD. You can go for the combo courses also. If you have filled the NABARD form, you can prepare. You can use the course if it suits you, right? And apart from that, we provide the starter pack also, right? Which is a free of cost pack, and it will let you know that whether our course style, the way it has been created, whether it suits your preparation journey or not, right, it suits your preparation style or not. So this is the starter pack that you can go for rest of the details you can check our website, and if in case of any query or any doubt, you can basically write it in the comment box. So thank you so much and all the best.